Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the latest progress at the stadium, from new materials arriving to ongoing installations. Sandwich panels, supports, and other construction elements are all moving forward, and workers are making steady progress across the site. At the tribune area, new glass panels have arrived on pallets, ready for installation. Workers are positioning them, and several tubes are being installed across the stadium. A concrete pump is active on the upper section, and scaffolding crews are finishing detailed tasks. Soon, sandwich panels will start going up here, and elevator structures are being prepared with green support unions now in place. In the cafeteria diamond, little has changed externally. Some glass panels are still missing in the left and corner sections. Previously, a platform inside the corner was active, but today, exterior work is minimal. We'll watch for when the missing panels are installed. At the store diamond, the upper door glass panels remain to be installed. 2 trucks delivered ventilation ducts and other components, with workers preparing the area. Concrete floors have been recently completed, and additional attachments for llamas or supports are being moved into place. Exterior progress is slow but steady. On the south goal left side, activity is high. Elevated platforms are applying material, likely for alveolar panels, while ironwork along the front of black beams continues. Workers are busy inside corridors, and corner sections are nearly ready for llama installation. Sandwich panels in the front and lateral areas are being positioned quickly, showing visible daily progress. Sandwich panel installation is moving fast, especially in corner sections. Left sectors are nearly complete, while right sectors have a few panels left. Workers are painting and checking supports for upcoming llama placements. The process is faster than llama's installation, which allows significant visible progress in a short time. In the upper lateral sections, multiple workers are active, preparing areas for future panels. Tubes installed above may be LED lights, though confirmation is pending. Wind makes observation challenging, but work is steady. Llama supports are being prepared, and ventilation ducts are being added gradually. The final corner sections continue with support installations for llamas. Black beams on the left still need smaller supports before lamination. Recently installed ventilation tubes are not yet finished. Elevated platforms move components and adjust installations carefully. Prefabricated tribune seats remain to be positioned, but progress is visible and steady. At the south goal corner, llamas are being installed quickly. The left sector is almost complete, while the right sector has a few panels left. Workers are painting supports and tightening all attachments to ensure everything is secure. Elevated platforms are assisting with precise positioning, and preparation for remaining llamas is ongoing. That concludes Stadium Update. Sandwich panels are advancing quickly, llama preparations are ongoing, and interior infrastructure like ventilation and supports is progressing steadily. We'll be back tomorrow with more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for regular progress reports. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.